Machine tool manufacturing is very demanding due to its requirement for meticulous programming and tight tolerances to ensure precision and high-quality production. The nature of machine tool manufacturing can often obscure what is happening within the intricate manufacturing process, making manual, close observation a necessity. Constantly stopping the machines for inspection, whilst necessary for maintaining precision, can frequently result in delays and slower production rates. Rotary Wiper is an easy-to-install internal vision system with effective built-in protection against the harsh environmental conditions caused by machine tool manufacturing. Rotary Wiper plays a crucial role in maintaining a clear view of the machining process for external monitoring, leading to significantly improved production efficiency by eliminating the need for frequent machine stops and reducing delays. With Rotary Wiper, workflow is dramatically improved. See blind spots usually undetectable from outside of the machine tool environment. Quickly detect possible manufacturing issues before they happen, such as steel chip accumulation. Monitor and assess manufacturing without the need to stop the machine. Scratch-resistant sapphire glass and a water-repellent coating actively repels moisture, oil, and residue from building on the surface of the lens housing. A constant stream of high-pressure air not only rotates the wiper, but also helps to remove moisture and oil particles. The high-speed rotary wiper, powered by air injection, removes any remaining material for a consistent clear view. The easy-to-install rotary wiper is a self-contained vision system which includes lens, camera, oil cabling software, and the Rotary Wiper Shield unit. An all-in-one monitoring and recording system that delivers a consistent clear view inside the toughest of manufacturing environments. In addition to monitoring, Rotary Wiper also offers the option of recording manufacturing processes via IP camera. Choose from multiple lens options, focal lengths, and camera sensor sizes to suit your specific requirements. The Rotary Wiper machine vision system's robust design and advanced imaging capabilities make it adaptable for deployment in various harsh manufacturing environments, ensuring reliable performance and accurate inspection even in challenging conditions. Kowa EnviroShield unit. Robust solutions, safeguarding and enhancing machine vision performance in harsh conditions.